Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Having the right grill accessory is so important, and that's why we chose this hardwood grill scraper by CONSDAN. I love how strong and durable this wood scraper is. I don't have to worry about any bristles coming loose and getting stuck in my food, and I don't have to worry about it rusting or falling apart if I accidentally leave it outside. This scraper is a great size so that you can get both hands on it and really get down in there to get your grill clean. I really appreciated the angled scraping head of it. We have more of a grate type of grill instead of just the bars. And so with that angle, we were really able to get in between the grates and lift off that burnt food. And I really like the look of this scraper. It's just very aesthetically pleasing to me with the wood grain in it and that nice warm color. And you never have to worry about it being too hot when you grab it. Also, with it being flat, it fits nicely in a drawer so we can pack it away easily. We love our nice, durable hardwood scraper, and that's our point of view.